12-volt AC. No stereo. Perfect up here. Big back window. All the windows go up and down good. Really solid. Short wheelbase, of course. Paint's got some clear coat flaking on it. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. 373 rear end, 4L60 transmission. This is designed especially for the LS swap. Does have the cooling fan on it. Everything works like it's supposed to. Fuel pressure, we put the aftermarket valve covers on it. Intake, headers, the really 10 mil thick 10 millimeter plugs. Everything works. It's a 5.3 LS. Just touch the key, ready to go. Great highway gear. Take a look inside over here. Extremely solid. Nice mat in the floor.